Hi there, I'm Alex and I'm the director of the film.
I'm Niger, I'm the scriptwriter and the art director.
Hi, I'm Stephen, I'm DOP.
I'm Anna, I'm doing camera work, and me and Dabs were doing editing as well.
As well as being one of the editors, I'm also the producer. Together we're a group of filmmakers who are planning on entering a film into the Bristol Film Competition 2013. We're looking for some funding right now. Previously we've done a short pilot of the film that we want to make. We filmed this in just a couple of days with a £50 budget. We're going to show you that in a minute, and hopefully you can see what we've been able to do with limited resources. So imagine what we could do with your help, with more money and with more time. We've worked on films, different countries throughout Europe. We've worked on feature lengths, loads of shorts. Some of us have worked for the BBC before, as well as other big companies. We've got access to lots of equipment, and we're planning on making a really great film with all of these resources pulled together. We just need a little bit of help for money for costumes, props, locations, travelling to locations, things like that. Below is a link to a PayPal account, so if you want to donate and you want to support us, then please do so. As well, check out the goodies and stuff below that we've got available to you guys if you do donate. Here's our pilot. We hope that you enjoy it and want to support us.
Who are you trying to fool? We both know what's inside there is too precious for you to lose.
Yes.
He always was crap at spelling.
What are you doing? Is that...
Gum, yeah. Do you want some?
Where are we? What is this place?
Ever wonder what it's like inside a genius's head?